Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can create Etsy shop cover icon in Canva. So let's start. First, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to create a design, and I'll write here Etsy shop cover. You can see it here. Click on it, and also Etsy shop icon. So we have two. What you need to have. The first thing what you want to do is like choose for yourself some kind of a logo, and now right here Marcus Stone, best products, like this. And now what I'm going to do, I will just change this color in the background to like orange, or even blue is pretty. So we have logo. Now what you want to do, you can really play with it. You can just change the background, change whatever. Then just press download, PNG, okay, let's download it. Opa. Now we have it, and I will just upload it on Etsy. And then to the shop cover, you have many options to choose here. What I always recommend is to take a text, take a font which you like, and change the background photo. So let's say that you are going to I don't know, make products for babies. So and this is kind of creepy, but yeah. Oh no, it went away. Wait a second. So I always recommend doing this. It's really simple and it's really quick. Now what I'm going to do, I'll write like Marcus Stone baby products. Okay, here I got it. And now what I'm going to press download, and voila, here we go. So you will have a link in the description how we can create it in Canva. For registering, click there and everything is okay. So this is how we make it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. You know how it goes. Thank you, have a great day, and see ya.